Hello guys, this is Carrie from soleyeezyking and soleyeezyking. If you guys are interested in those items, any question, please feel easy to contact us. Skype, Wechat, or Wechat, and you can search our website to place your order. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will do more review here. So today I want to show you guys the Air Force One, the new sample we got. Okay, check the side, the Nike logo, and check this part, Air. Yeah. And the daisy here, the little daisy, yeah. Okay, also comes with the extra lace, the black lace, and anyway, this part. Another side. The back, check the back. The Nike Air, yeah, also this part. The insole, the button, yeah, the Nike. Very special design. Okay. And the card, artist. Okay, and then the shoes box here, the label. So if you guys are interested in those items, any question, please feel easy to contact us. Skype, Wechat, or Wechat. This is Carrie. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.